Don't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no clip. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sha'Kida, and I'm back at it with another video for you guys. I'm back at it with a makeup tutorial, and then I got 2 more coming at y'all. Like just be patient though. Just be patient. I just gotta edit. But we're gonna go ahead, get started. No intro. I apologize. But we're gonna go ahead in that LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee, and I'm using that as a eyeshadow primer today, as always. Cause you know, Corona, don't got stores open and stuff. So this like my struggle eyeshadow primer, So I do go in with a neutral shade. I actually forgot which one I used, but I just use that, you can use translucent powder if you choose to. And I am, again, using my Coastal Scents palette, and I am going into this neon yellow. Okay, when I first put this on, I was scared, okay? I'm a dark girl, okay? I got a little chocolate, my melanin and yellow. I was a little scared, but it works out in the end, So what you want to do is pack this on. Unless you have a eyeshadow palette that is very pigmented and it doesn't come off chalky like the eyeshadows in the Coastal Scent palette does, you're going to want to pack it up so it can be vibrant and flawless and pretty, okay? And you want to do this on both eyes. Just pack it on. And while y'all in the process of watching me pack on this canary yellow on both eyes, make sure you hit that bell so that way you're notified every time I upload. And make sure you hit that subscribe button as well. Like, let's be friends. Like, let's not abandon the subscribe button or the bell. Comment down below. Like this video. Go look at my other videos. Please. And I have to use a wipe to clean up all the fallout. And that's another thing I hate about this palette. Like, it's so much fallout. But it is what it is. We'll get it together. Then I am going to go in with the orange that's in the Coastal Scent palette. And with that, I am adding that to my crease. I was a little skeptical about using the orange, but my creative juices was flowing, and I was like, go ahead, add the orange. And here we are. We're just adding that orange. You don't want the orange too intense though, but you want to go ahead, add that orange up there in that crease. And then if you feel like that yellow is disappearing, you can always add more yellow to intensify. You gotta go back and forth, go back and forth. And then, of course, that is basically the look, honestly. Of course, there's going to be some more touch-up towards the end. But for right now, like the main part, you're just going to pop that yellow eyeshadow on. Pop that orange eyeshadow in the crease. And then you're going to go ahead and do your eyeliner. And we're gonna speed this thing up. Y'all wanna jam out? Let's rock.
Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean to disrespect, but thoughts of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I. See you all around my way. Been meaning to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. And I wonder if you even notice me. And you gotta feel me. And I love you good. Just wanna be your girl. All alone at night, I harbor feelings for you, holding my pillow tight. Sometimes I even touch myself, imagining your pleasure, baby. Next time I see you,
Then we gonna go into my favorite palette of all time, that Anastasia Beverly Hills Renaissance palette, and I'm going in Realgar. I did think it was good to go into the tear ducts with it, and then I changed my mind. I was like, nope, the look is not complete. It's not what I want. It's not giving me enough, you know. So I was like, nope, we just gonna drag it all across our bottom lash line. Okay. I was like, there's no way. There's like absolutely no way I could just like leave it in there tear duct. Like, it just looked unfinished. So I had some unfinished business and I got it together. So it looks so much better when it's on the bottom lash line. Yep, girl, look. You saw it. So I dragged that, packed it a little bit, drag that at the bottom lash line, and then I go ahead and add my mascara after this. I really free balled this look. Like, I didn't have an image in my head or anything. I just sat down and was like, I'm gonna film a look today and it better come out great. Okay. So that's how we got this look. And then you, of course, you have to add your lippy. You gotta add your lippy. And that's pretty much it for this video. Again, guys, hit that bell so that way you're notified every time I do an upload. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, comment, and like. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.